Ignite Middle School Academy is a very exciting project-based summer school program for students that are rising into 6th grade through 8th grade, where they get to cycle through English, math, and STEM in a very exciting way.
Our tug of war math, on your mark, get set, go.
So this is a very interactive program. Students are going to be dissecting, they're going to be learning about the solar system and exploring cells.
I love everything about this program and I'm learning so much.
I'm making a lot of good friends here.
The teachers here are really kind and they're going to help me grow as a person.
I get to have fun and I also get to brainstorm more activities that will help me for the new school year.
One of the most exciting things about this program is that students get to use the virtual reality headsets to learn about the things that they're learning in the classroom.
The program is run at 6 different middle schools. It's a regional model, so students can attend any of the 6 sites that are closest to their homes. The program includes free breakfast, free lunch, and bus service. It's an excellent program.
This program is called Ignite because it's igniting my love for learning.